Yay, got this sucker out. Torque converter's out, transmission's out. Let me know in the comment below if this is normal. The internal of the torque converter is loose, or at least it seems to be loose. I can move it around and it makes a clicking noise. So the problem that I've been having is this sensor clogging up 90% of the time. I have to take it off, clean the filter, and then put it back on, then it drives fine. It's been having debris, and then occasionally I take this one out. It shows some kind of clogging as well. Cell codes say that it is the torque converter circuit solenoid. Been changed this one out, still the same. So I looked around and people said that the culprit is the torque converter, because it's probably being destroyed internally. So a lot of the materials are breaking apart, and that's what's causing the debris to clog the sensors while I'm driving. If you guys do not know, MDX fuel filter, at least for this year, right here, okay, it's hidden. You call dealer, anybody, they will say it does not exist. Bullshit. It's right here. Changed it a couple times already, but I've been having problems. So going to switch everything, get a new torque converter coming in hopefully this weekend, put it in, getting a new fuel filter from the dealer, and then new fluid. So here it is. Okay guys, so in the video that you're gonna watch here, what I'm doing is I'm recording so that I can remember what I did in the process. So this is in no means the only guide or the only way you can do it. What I realized is I didn't do everything in the right sequence or in the right order. I kind of do it as I go. So for example, like the exhaust and the drive shaft, I should have, would have, and if I was to do it again, I would have taken those out first. But I didn't. I just kind of took whatever was in my way out. And then you realize that I say fuel filter once or twice in there. I meant transmission filter. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the entire video to kind of give you guys an idea of the process of what I do. I did not record every little thing, but I record the majority of the process. So use this as a guide, use this as a reference to kind of help you out. If you have any question, drop me a question, and hopefully someone else that's watching can also answer those questions for you guys. If you have anything that you want to specifically ask or request, just let me know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and have fun. getting there. Everything's unplugged. Everything down here is pretty much set, and this guy's just chilling. Wait, boy. Everything's unplugged, ready to go. Drop in now on the subframe. Stay warm. Stay cool. What happened? Oh, it just napped out. So that's the end of the video. It might seem a little bit confusing if you don't get the gist of it right away. Watch it multiple times to be sure you can handle the job. Otherwise, always seek professional help. Okay. I've been playing with cars ever since I was young, or younger. So I have a little bit of experience in tools. Tools is number one thing that you have to have. If you don't have the right tools, it will take you forever to do the job. So make sure you have time on your hand, and make sure you have the right tools. If the frame that I use to pull the motor, if you want to see how I built that one, you know, it's pretty simple, it's pretty basic. But I'll put up a link somewhere around the video here, and click that so you kind of see what I did really quick. 30 minutes to an hour to kind of build that from my scrap pile of wood. Otherwise, anything else, let me know. Okay, I forgot to mention I'll be having another video coming up pretty soon here of putting everything back together. So look out for that one. It should be coming out shortly. When you see this video, the car is already done and it's already been driven around, and I'll do a follow-up video of what I think happened, what are the pros and the cons. So look out for those videos, okay?